Good morning, Alexander. Today is Tuesday, and they have not yet fixed our sump pump, and so there are still annoying little background noise. Wow, that's a lot of stickies. How did that not stay up? That is so many stickies. Just finished the first 2.5 hours of our big annual planning meeting with all my leads. It's going really well. Got some super smart people, and look, it's still snowing. Oh my god, I just realized it's snowing again. Dad, I just finished work. How's it going? Happy family?
We have an orange here for you.
Wow, that's a lot of oranges. I love oranges.
And when asked Rosie what Rosie gonna do? What is Rosie gonna do?
Alex, stay back, please. Let Rosie do her thing.
Helping me make the whipped cream, Daniel. It looks great.
We love watching vlogs. This was Daniel's birthday.
Look at all these special pancakes Mama's making.
Thank you for cooking a wonderful Tuesday tilapia meal, Stephanie.
Oh, we forgot to change my diaper.
Oh, snap. Daniel often gets to watch videos while we are trimming his nails. It's a nice little treat, isn't it, Daniel? Today he's watching vlogs.
I was going to say today he requested vlogs.
Hey, beautiful boo. I feel like we've got an infestation here. It looks like a little cucaracha. Should we check? Yeah, it definitely sounds like a cuca. Oh, it's not a cucaracha. It's Daniel.